doing the right things that will make you grow your business, right? That's wrong. You know, when I started my business, I made this mistake as well. I thought it was all about getting more leads, more followers, more sales call bookings to hit my next revenue goals. You don't need more followers, you won't anyway, because more content, more calls. If you don't have your personal brand messaging down in, the more followers, more content, more calls will just be useless. Hello. This week, we're going to talk about step 4 out of the 5, doing right things in the right order. Last week, we talked a little bit about step 3 out of the 5 from how I go from one-on-one offer to 2 scalable offer. So today, you are ready for step 4 out of the 5, doing the right things in the right order. And if you remember, last week I shared with you how I went from 1-to-1 sold out coaching offer to 2 scalable offer and made around 120K in sales in a month, just using the power of LinkedIn. You know it. My insider suite experience is getting tons of enrollments and clients are getting incredible wins inside the program. My team and I are providing the best vehicle to help my clients to achieve results fast and consistently. Supports like coaching session for big strategies thing, community for small daily Q&A things, and supplies like our 149K sales script. What's the common thread here, you might ask? Every decision I made was backed by data and hard truth from my past clients. Yep, smart business owner make decision based on data, not emotion. That brings me to my next point, the aha moment in my business. It's doing the right things that will make you grow your business, right? That's wrong. It's not doing the right things and following the right strategies, framework, and techniques. It's actually about doing the right things in the right order. Yeah, listen to it again. But let me explain. You know, when I started my business, I made this mistake as well. I thought it was all about getting more leads, more followers, more sales call bookings to hit my next revenue goals. So I did that and focused on just pushing volume. Guess what? Time passed. I'm still making the same income month over month. You see, I was moving. My business is profitable, nothing to complain, but not progressing. There is a big difference right here. I realized the most successful business out there doing this really well, if I may, is doing the right things in the right orders on repeat. So the problem was not volume. The problem was a profitable business model that lasts. And that means brand positioning, traffic engine, offer suite, funnels, pricing, client acquisition, retention, fulfillment, and business math, and all the living organism within a business. So that no matter how much volume I was getting in, things were moving, because having all those new followers, new leads, new booking wasn't the thing that could actually help me. It's not helpful if you're not doing all the right things in the right order. So let me show you the right order. I wanted to zoom in step 1 and 2 for you, or else this video is going to be extra long, if not longer. All right, step 1 is messaging dialing. You don't need more followers, you won't anyway, because more content, more calls. If you don't have your personal brand messaging down in, the more followers, more content, more calls will just be useless. So what we need is to focus down in on your magnetic personal brand messaging, because confusion is the enemy of conversion. So the way you articulate the value of your expertise, your offer, and business really matters. Everything you do is right after. So say goodbye to boring, outdated LinkedIn CV, left profile viewers confused what to do and how they can work with you. So what do you do instead? Creating your magnetic personal brand messaging with a clear call to action that aligns with your sales goal. Oh, hello, Insider. Love what you're learning so far. I'm interrupting my own episode for this. Want to create a LinkedIn strategies that work for you and your business? Book a LinkedIn blind spot call with us today, right here. The link is in the description below. We'll take a look at your overall goals on LinkedIn. We'll also be identifying areas that could be improved on and then point you in a direction that solves you what's holding you back on LinkedIn so that you can start getting better results. So right now, go ahead, hit that book button, get it going. We cannot wait to talk to you, get to know you, as well as your business. And of course, explore how we can make LinkedIn work for you and your business. As of now, let's head back to the episode. Step number 2 is profitable offer suite. I mean, no elaboration needed, just read and digest this slide right here. Your marketing messaging, content, client journey, sales conversation during discovery calls, DMs, outbound, literally everything are all impacted by your profitable offer suite. I say this, you need to have an offer so dialed in that your clients will want to keep buying over and over and over again. Hello, LTV, lifetime value, because one thing so-called expert with little short-term brain won't understand is that the market will value you based on the value you deliver and not how many diamond rings, how many luxury houses, vacation, Rolexes, supercars you flaunt. So there you have it. I will come back next week with the next chapter right here, the 3 proven LinkedIn business funnel. You can tell how game changer that was for me. Do you have questions around your current business model? Just hit reply in the comments. I would love to help. Remember this, you are the most qualified person to build your business. You just need the step-by-step playbook to follow. Thank you so very much for tuning in today. If something I share helped you to get one step closer to being the CEO you desire to be, then I've done my job right in this video today. Let's make LinkedIn work for you and your business. I cannot wait to see you again next week, same time. Bye for now. Hey, don't go yet. Check out the next video right here. I will be reviewing my 3 profile LinkedIn business funnel.